This potato masher was kindly gifted to me, and I've been really impressed with it. When mashing potatoes, you can immediately feel how much easier it makes the process compared to some of the other mashers that I've used. It has this dual arc design that naturally distributes pressure as you press down, so it takes a lot less effort even with thicker, denser potatoes. The 37-hole plate creates a really smooth, lump-free texture, which is exactly what you want when making mashed potatoes. It's made from thick, sturdy stainless steel, and the one-piece construction feels really solid. It doesn't bend or flex when you're using it, which gives it a very durable, high-quality feel. The handle is comfortable to grip, and it doesn't slip even if your hands are a little wet. Cleanup is really easy too. It's dishwasher safe, and there are no seams or parts for food to get stuck in. It also has a hanging hole, so you can store it vertically if you'd like to save some drawer space. Overall, this is a simple kitchen tool that works really well and makes mashing faster and easier. If you make mashed potatoes often, or you mash things like bananas or carrots or other soft foods, definitely give this one a try.